A major transformation in smartphone chip technology is beginning to emerge, and Huawei is now positioned at the center of it. The company has shared new information about its upcoming flagship Mate 90 series processor, indicating performance and efficiency levels that may come extremely close to advanced 3nm manufacturing technology. This is not just a minor improvement. It represents a new direction in the way mobile processors are engineered and optimized. The announcement was made at a major finance and technology summit in Shenzhen, where Huawei's leadership spoke about the future of semiconductor innovation. One of the main points highlighted was a new engineering concept referred to as the Dow Scaling Law. Huawei stated that this is not a recent development, but rather a principle refined over many years and quietly implemented across multiple layers of chip design and production. According to the company, the Dow Scaling Law is not simply a theoretical idea. Instead, it reflects a complete redesign of how chips are created from the earliest design phase all the way to final manufacturing. Rather than separating design, packaging, and testing into distinct stages, Huawei has combined them into a single integrated system. This allows each part of the development process to work in coordination, reducing the limitations found in traditional chip production methods. What makes this even more notable is its direct connection to the upcoming Kirin mobile processor that will power the Mate 90 series. Huawei claims that this new chip, built on the Dow Scaling Law and combined with a technique known as logic folding design, can achieve performance levels very close to those expected for modern 3nm chips. Although it is not officially a true 3nm process in the conventional sense, it is designed to compete within the same performance category. During the presentation, Huawei CTO from the Financial Systems Division emphasized that the focus is not only on speed improvements. The main objective is to redefine how performance and efficiency are achieved together. The statement also highlighted that chips developed using this method are already being implemented in the Mate 90 series, placing it in a high-end category of mobile hardware. The reported technical gains of this new Kirin chip are quite significant. Compared with older 2D chip architectures, the new design is said to improve transistor density by 53.5%. This allows a much larger amount of computing power to be packed into the same physical space, which is a key factor in modern processor performance. Higher density typically results in better multitasking capabilities, stronger AI computation, and smoother overall system behavior. In addition, the chip is claimed to offer a 41% boost in both performance and core energy efficiency. This balance is crucial because raw speed alone is not sufficient for today's smartphones. Efficiency determines how long a device can maintain high performance without overheating or draining the battery too quickly. Could be why enhancing both performance and efficiency simultaneously. The Mate 90 series could deliver stronger output while maintaining solid battery life. Another reported improvement is a 12.7% increase in peak frequency, which refers to the maximum operating speed of the processor under heavy workloads such as gaming, rendering, or AI-based tasks. Even small gains in this area can noticeably improve real-world responsiveness. One of the most impressive figures mentioned is a transistor density of around 238 million transistors per square millimeter. This places the chip in a highly competitive position when compared with global semiconductor benchmarks. While it is not officially categorized as a 3nm chip, Huawei's messaging suggests that the user experience is intended to be comparable to that class of hardware. What makes this shift particularly important is the change in philosophy behind chip development. Instead of depending solely on shrinking manufacturing nodes, Huawei is focusing more on architectural design efficiency and system-level optimization. If successful, this approach could influence future industry trends, especially as physical limits in traditional scaling become increasingly difficult to overcome. For users, these advancements could result in faster application launches, improved gaming performance, enhanced AI capabilities, and better power management. Devices like the Mate 90 series may also handle complex tasks such as photography processing, real-time computation, and multitasking more smoothly without performance drops. The emphasis is not just on benchmark scores, but on overall user experience. As competition in the smartphone market intensifies, innovations like these show how how companies are exploring different strategies to achieve higher performance levels. Whether this approach becomes a new industry standard or remains a unique direction for Huawei will depend on its real-world performance compared to traditional 3nm chips from other manufacturers. What is clear, however, is that the Mate 90 series is shaping up to be one of the most significant releases in Huawei's recent history, particularly from a chip innovation perspective. The combination of new design philosophy, improved efficiency, and higher performance goals signals a strong push toward redefining mobile computing power. If updates on upcoming chip technologies, smartphone leaks, and next-generation devices matter to you, staying subscribed and tuned and will keep you informed about every major development in the tech world. Thanks for so much watching, guys. See you next time.